Jonathan Smith, and I'm a full-time utility employee at Greif. We make paper, and we make corrugated and medium paper here at Greif. My role is to make sure that the rolls are the exact size. We actually look at the quality of the rolls, making sure that the rolls doesn't have any imperfections in the paper. We also make sure that the edges of the rolls look good also before we ship them out. Every job that you go to, you actually train, and the good thing about it is you have somebody that's training you that already have done the job. So you basically got a buddy that's helping you learn the job. It really changed a lot in my life coming down here to Greif. It set me up and gave me a different opportunity to actually broaden my horizon. Just coming down to this environment, and you work 4 days when you get full-time. You work 4 days and then you're off 3, and you work 3 days and then you're off 1. So it kind of fluctuates with the time being off, but it actually gives you a better schedule, because in a nutshell, we only work 14 days out of each month. To someone that is coming out of high school or never done this type of work, I would tell them that this is a good job and a good opportunity for you to learn more things. This company actually offers a lot of different things that you can obtain, as far as getting into maintenance, getting your welding license, getting into the electrician department. And if you don't want to do that and you just want to kind of stick to just working down at the mill, you got 5 different departments where you can really flourish and learn a lot of different things that you can take for the rest of your life, really. One of the key things you would want to do before coming down here, some soft skills, would be to pretty much pay attention to detail. Respect is a big factor. How you talk to one another. As far as your employees, it's a good work environment overall. It's good people down here, really do care.